Welcome to JH. Today, we're exploring how to resolve SteamVR issues. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just hitting some snags, stay tuned as we cover simple methods to fix these problems in under 5 minutes. First, you must shut down Steam entirely. Simply closing the window isn't enough. Ensure it's not active in your system tray or background tasks. This full reset helps clear any temporary glitches so the app can start fresh. Now, locate the Steam app on your PC. A quick way is to press the Start key and type Steam into the search box. Once it appears, right-click the icon and choose Run as Administrator. This provides the software with the necessary permissions to bypass potential system-level restrictions. With Steam open, head over to your library where your games and VR tools are stored. Find the specific title that isn't working, right-click it, and select Properties. This opens a menu for managing that specific game's settings. Switch to the Installed Files tab. You will see an option to verify integrity of game files. Select this to let Steam scan for damaged or missing data. It will automatically download replacements for any faulty files, which often fixes most startup errors. If you use other VR platforms alongside SteamVR, try uninstalling those third-party applications. Software clashes between different VR systems can frequently cause crashes. Keeping only one active system can help prevent these conflicts. As a final solution, you may need to perform a clean reinstall of SteamVR. This removes any deep-seated errors or incorrect configurations. Delete SteamVR from your library, then download it again. This fresh start usually resolves the most stubborn issues. That covers the essential steps to get your VR setup working again. If this guide was useful, please let us know. Feel free to drop a comment with your own tips or questions. Thanks for watching and enjoy your gaming.